Hi friends, I am Dr. Vaidik Chauhan, ENT surgeon, and I will be talking about mucormycosis today. What is it? The mucormycosis is an opportunistic fungal infection which is most commonly seen in immunocompromised patient like post-COVID, the liver transplant, kidney transplant patient, and patient who is on long-term steroids, and diabetic patient especially. So basically it is rises in the cases in post-COVID patient is seen nowadays. So basically this fungus is found in soil and linen and clothes, but it doesn't affect the healthy individuals. But in immunocompromised patient, this fungus is very deadly and it spreads rapidly via the fungal spore inhalation. So as it is deadly fungus, I'll be talking about how to prevent it and how to identify the early symptoms, and if it is found, then how to treat it. So once the mucormycosis has been suspected, how to identify it early? So there is facial pain, facial swelling, the opening of the eyelid is difficult, it is called drooping of eyelid, constant headache, there is loosening of the teeth, gum pain, then ulcer over the palates, and the nasal discharge, bloody or blackish nasal discharge. So these are the early symptoms. Identify it. If you see it, directly consult your doctor and ENT surgeon. Now we'll talking about the treatment part. Once this happens, how to confirm it and how to treat it. So for the confirmation, generally we do endoscopy, and if anything suspicious material found, then we send it for the fungal culture and fungal KOH report. So if there is confirmation of the mucormycosis, then we also plan for the CT scan and MRI. MRI brain, paranasal sinus with orbit and gadolinium contrast is investigation of choice for this thing. And if there is found confirmation that mucormycosis is there, then the first thing is to do is debridement. So it can be done via different approaches, the endoscopic approach, the open approach. So whatever the tissue has been affected, it has to be removed as it is totally necrosed portion, as because this mucormycosis fungus is basically involving the blood vessel and the affect the supply of blood vessel. So the organ who is receiving the blood is totally dead and necrotic. So we have to remove it all and once for all, and repeatedly the suction clearance and all the things has to be done regularly. The medical portion, the medical management of this fungus is must after the surgical debridement. So it involves the amphotericin B injection, and the other two drugs which is most commonly used is isavuconazole and the posaconazole. So these are the total management of the mucormycosis cases. Whenever you find it early, get it early diagnosed and then get it early treat. So I will be showing you the patient of mucormycosis. You can see that there is a drooping of eyelid and the facial swelling has been seen. So these are the typical finding we can see in this mucormycosis cases. We also do the CT scan and MRI, and you can see that there is much more invasive fungus is seen in the scan. We also operate like this and endoscopic approach. So you can see the fungus coming out of the maxillary sinuses like this.